Hi, my name is Mr. Cornwell. I'm the auto collision instructor here at Edison Academy. This is my second year teaching auto collision at the Academy. I enjoy teaching auto collision here at the Academy. I'm actually a product of the program, having taken auto collision myself in high school and followed by a long 36-year career in the auto collision industry. While this is a hands-on course, virtual learning has become more and more a part of the program. For instance, last year, prior to closing for the pandemic, students were using a virtual welder, which mimics the welding process without actually welding. And for the 2021 year, we acquired a new virtual spray gun setup that actually teaches the kids how to use and spray with a spray gun without actually spraying any material whatsoever. So having said that, I'm excited about what the next year has to offer. So many of us are learning new ways to teach and reach out to the students. And thank you for your time and considering of my class. Have a great day.